What is up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if not, welcome back. I missed you. So today I am doing this gorgeous, glowy, sparkly, everything fun prom look for you. So if you like what you see right here, just continue watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with my Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer. Okay, and then next I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, and this is in the shade 6. Okay, and then next I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Fair. Okay, and then next I'm going to be taking my Clinique Curvy Contour Stick. This is in the shade, oh, I said that backwards. Okay, this is my Chubby stick in the shade Curvy Contour. Duh. Okay, and then next I'm going to be taking my RCMA, and yes, I did get a new one because my last one was literally empty. So my RCMA No Color Powder. Okay, so I went ahead and did my brows with obviously my Precisely My Brow Pencil because this is my favorite. And then I'm just going to go on top with my brow setter. This is the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. And then next I'm going to go into my Benefit Blush Bar, and I'm going to be taking the shade Hoola. Okay, and then next I'm going to go in with Dandelion and California. Okay, and then next I'm going to go with my MAC palette. This is In the Flesh, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Okay, and then I'm going to be going into my Naked 3 palette, which is Falling Apart, and I'm going to be taking the shade Nooner. Okay, and then for some color, I'm going to be going into my Modern Renaissance, and I'm going to be taking the shade Love Letter. Just very little on my brush, like almost nothing, because it is very strong. Okay, and then next I'm going to go into my Too Faced Natural Love palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Honey Pot. And I'm also going to be spraying my brush just so that it's a little damp. Okay, and then next I'm going to be going in with my Lancôme liquid eyeliner. This is in black. Okay, so now that my wings are on, I'm going to be taking my STILA liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm going to be kind of creating another wing on top of my wing, but with sparkle. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you will in a second, because I'm going to be doing it for you. And it's really not that noticeable until you move and see the glitter, which I love because, like, from front, it's just like soft sparkle, and then from like certain angles, you can like really see the detail, and like that's beautiful. So then next, all we gotta do is put some mascara on, and I'm going to curl my lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my BadGal Bang by Benefit mascara. Okay, and actually I forgot about my lower eyelid. I'm gonna be taking Love Letter. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my MAC crayon liner, and I am going to I'm just gonna take it on the inside here. And then I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Light Liner, and this is in Starlight Gold, and I'm just gonna take that on the inner. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking my BECCA Rose Gold. This is like the mini version of highlighters. And I'm going to be taking my blush brush. I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and kind of use it like a bronzer at the end of my cheeks. And then I'm going to be taking my BECCA Champagne Pop. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Candy K Kylie liner and just line my lips. Okay, and then I'm gonna be taking my Tarteist lip paint. This is in Birthday Suit. Okay, and then to seal the deal, I'm gonna be taking my MAC Fix Plus and just spray the face. Alright, so this is the final look. What does everyone think? Don't forget to leave comments below letting me know, and also letting me know what you want to see next time. And also, if you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also give it a subscribe for more videos to come. And I also do have an Instagram account, so if you want to follow me, it is LIAASZAN_beauty. I'll leave it in the description below. So give me a follow, give me a subscribe, and until next time, goodbye, my beautifuls. Why is my nose leaking? Like,